we're gonna do something, guys. We're definitely gonna do something. There ain't no way I'm going down without a fight. I've been in your waters. I'm genuinely a little bit nervous.
Oh, don't be.
For vlogging in front of you. Alright, okay. I thought he'd know how to start. I'm not nervous.
Oh, really? Why? It's
yeah,
me.
because I care. I don't want to look like an idiot, do I?
You don't look like an idiot.
Take the next right onto Hemsworth Lane,
Okay.
B6428.
So, what is popping, people? And today we are going vlog style with Lady Ravage there. So we are today on a location scout for our new photography business. Selfless plug. www.ravageseminar.com if you want to check us out. We do dog photography. Anyway, yeah, we are off to scout a location for an upcoming shoot.
With our little mascot in the back.
With the little bambino in the back. So we have some bad news to share, which we will share shortly when we get to the location. Bad news for me, maybe good news for some people who don't like me, but still. Anyway, see you there. We interrupt this time-lapse broadcast because Lady Ravage has just said something quite interesting.
It's not going to happen, but should we have an accident today while on scouting en route, it's all going to be on camera and everyone's going to witness it. Like a fatal accident. It's not going to happen. It's just one of them things that goes into your brain.
If it happens now, and somebody retrieves this footage,
We love you all.
just know it was Lady Ravage's fault. I love the little bag that she's got. So we have arrived at the location. Looks alright already.
Yeah, it's pretty, but I don't know how much we'll be able to get in with the dogs.
See, but now, do we reveal the location, our secret locations,
To other people.
to other people that want to nick us photography locations? You know what? I'll show yous, but I ain't telling you where it is.
No, it's secret.
Okay, so everybody's wanting to know, obviously, what my my bad news is. So, how do we start? Firstly, obviously, we've got to get the waterfall in the background because look at it. Right, so the bad news. So a few weeks ago, I noticed my eyesight getting a little bit bad. Okay, so when I shut my right eye, my left eye was just massively blurry.
I told you it was nasty.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Like super blurry, like I can't read anything, couldn't see anything from distance. I hold my hand out in front of me and it was blurry. So I decided to book a optician's appointment, as you do, just thinking, okay, I'm probably just gonna need some glasses, probably. So I went to the opticians and I had a eye test. Generally run-of-the-mill eye test. It was nothing like fancy or anything like that. However, I sat down They did all the lens stuff and all that jazz. Sat down in the chair, I was like, you know when there's something wrong, because he turned around to me and he's like, right, so this is your right eye. Everything's normal, and you're kind of like, okay, so you're building up to this thing. So then he's like, but this is your left eye, and he told me like what's wrong with my left eye, and I have something called keratoconus. Keratoconus, I think it's called. Yeah, keratoconus. Now it's a genetic eye condition. So basically what happens is my cornea deteriorates over time. But not only that, it will also go into my good eye, which is currently fine. So essentially, over the next however many years, I don't know, my eyesight is going to get worse and worse and worse and worse. And with me, obviously, being a tattoo artist, it's not good. It's not good. I am currently, starting from now, basically fighting a battle to keep my eyesight. Now the first thing is something called cross-linking. Cross-linking is they put some drops in my eye, shine some light in it, and apparently it doesn't cure the vision or the disease.
What are you looking at, ass?
But it stops it getting any worse for however long. I don't know. Over the next, I don't know. What did they say, 10 years? 10 years. So yeah, over the next 10 years, so we've read, that is the prime time for me eyesight to be going, and yeah. Now, like I said, and like you all know, I'm a tattooist, so losing the old eyesight is not something I really want, but it's something I am faced with, and it sucks. Like, it really does suck. Like, I might get to a point where it is, what, I don't know, 10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, and I can still see. I might be at that point, but I might also be at a point where it's 5 years from now and it's just getting worse and worse and worse. And when you've worked quite a big portion of your life, 10 years, doing one thing, the prospect of actually losing that thing is horrendous. Now, there's a lot of people out there that are a lot worse off than what I am. There's a lot of people out there that are already blind, and it sucks, and I don't want any sympathy or anything like that, but I just wanted to let you all know that I have this eye condition and it is going to get worse, but we are going to do everything in our power to make sure that it doesn't get to a point where I can no longer work. It's hard, man. Like, I had like stuff planned on what I wanted to say, but like actually talking about it and actually putting it out there, I'm still at a loss for words, really. Like, I did not expect this to be happening at all. I went for a routine eye check where I just figured that I was just gonna have to wear glasses or something. I wasn't expecting the information, so it's been quite hard to process. They've told me, on what I've read on it, is that I will not go blind, as in like, will not be able to see anything. However, it gets to a point where you've got shapes and colours, you're seeing double, triple vision, all sorts. So yeah, we're gonna do something, guys. We're definitely gonna do something. There ain't no way I'm going down without a fight. I'm not gonna let this get me down. I'm not gonna let it ruin my career. I've just started a photography business. I've been tattooing all this time. I have plans, and keratoconus was not in them, and you know what? It's not gonna be in them. Right, location has been scouted. How long did it take to get here?
An hour and 45 minutes. It was just short of 80 miles.
An hour and 45 minutes, 80
Location
miles.
Not being shared though.
No, they know the location's not been shared. They can see the location. But
Yes, 80 miles from our house, and if you can find it.
yep. And we've been here, what, 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
20 minutes.
Just to scout a location. Because we want the very best. What's she doing?
Man down. Uh-oh. There we are.
Crackers. So we are off back to the car. Are we off back to the car?
We're off to find a McDonald's.
We're off to find a McDonald's. So, yep, off back to the car, find a McDonald's. Again, don't feel sorry for me. I don't want any sympathy. It's just what I'm dealing with at the minute. It's just what I'm dealing with at the minute. So, yes, we shall see how it all pans out. But hopefully, I'm tattooing for quite a while yet.
Yeah. If not, I'll be taking over.
Yeah, Chris is going to take over.
I make an awesome elephant.
She's going to take over the YouTube also. I'm going to teach her like to be a super awesome tattooist for if I do go completely blind, because she's going to need to be the breadwinner.
Bringing in the bacon.
That's it.
Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Right, dudes, we're going to McDonald's, but we shall see you all in the next video. Don't forget,
Adios.
if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace.
Your daddy?